Once you've understood the different segments and you can make the movements in stages with pauses, it's time to blend it into one flowing swing. Start with the backswing. Turn, lift and hinge the wrists. If you can feel that, add the downswing. So turn, lift and hinge the wrists, pause, then lower the arms, turn the shoulders and unhinge the wrists. And if that's achievable, it's time to let it flow through to a full finish. And that simply means, instead of stopping, you let the club continue and swing it up over your shoulder behind you. So turn, lift, hinge, start to make it flow. Once it feels natural, add a downswing. And then from here, add the release. And when that's feeling comfortable, hit some shots.